Hey y'all, today on Southern Boys Outdoors, deep fried soft shell crawfish. Louisiana shrimp fry, and we got the Louisiana fish fry. And then of course, we're gonna hit it with the Southern Boys seasoning in there. There you go. Now we just wanna get that mixed up good. All right, y'all, we're gonna make a little bonding. We're gonna do some mustard, Louisiana hot sauce. The most important thing is you want these crawfish, soft shell crawfish, you want them cold. So we got them in some ice water right now with some ice and stuff. You want them good and cold, and we're just gonna roll it in that batter like that. Look at this here, look at that big old claw. Eat claw and all, y'all. Gonna lay them in there like that. And what we're gonna do, we just wanna flip it over. Get them rolled in there like that. Now we're gonna lay them in that batter. Hey, let's fire up this little cover. There we go. Get a little temperature there. What we like, y'all, we like to get it about 350 degrees. That's the temp we're looking for. 350, right there. All right, y'all, we got the batter right here. Getting them crawfish ready to go in that fryer. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. I'm just gonna bring it right here and lay it out. Oh, look at that, y'all. All right, y'all, we got that grease hot, just over 350. Now we're ready to lay them crawfish in there. We're gonna lay it in one at a time. Look at that. Ooh, ain't that pretty? Soft shell crawfish. That's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. Ouch, burn me. And they should come popping up. You see how they pop up right there? Look at that. All right, y'all, check that out. Soft shell crawfish right here on the low-code. Come over here. Hit them with that Southern Boy seasoning. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. Woo, look at that, y'all. Look at them deep fried crawfish right there. All right, gotta try it. Deep fried Louisiana crawfish, claw and all. You eat the whole, thing, y'all. I'm telling you. You just eat the whole. There's the tail end. You eat everything going. Hey, y'all, I'm telling you right now, it just don't get no better than deep fried Louisiana soft shell crawfish.